Yeah, welcome back to my channel. This is a tutorial on how to sharpen stainless clipper blade. Can you see it? It has been used all. I want to resharpen it out. In some few minutes, I want to give you step by step. Can you see the inner surface of the bottom clipper blade? Can you see it? You can see the inner surface of the upper clipper blade. You are just going to the feet now. This is the application of the oil. This is special stone. You see the way I'm using the special stone. After you now use your biscuit bone. Put my way. This biscuit bone. Open the line. Then this is kerosene. You apply your kerosene at interval. Then you tap. You tap. What do I mean by tapping? You are spreading the kerosene, likely taking time to mix the biscuit bone, precious bone, particles, oil, and kerosene together. Yeah, can you see it? Can you see my finger? You play your finger before you go. Just start from the upper clipper blade. Let me show you again before. Stand here. That is 20 times. That is 20 times each for one side. And just go straight away. 20, 20. That is 20 each for one side. Let me show you now the surface is. When you watch carefully this side, I don't know whether the camera can pick it very well. The stone has not touched here. Remain only here. It remains only here. Yeah, this side. Don't forget to treat the surface before the sharpening. You treat the surface of your stone before the sharpening. Don't forget this side. This side. That is 10 times each for one side. In addition, that is 30 times each for one side. Yeah, still remain here. Here. Just watch carefully. Let me see whether I can pick it. Just one blade here, one teeth. This angle again. Give me one time. Oh wow. Give me one time. I won't use too much kerosene now. There's a reason for that. Here. Yeah, that is to and fro. 10 times again, making 40 times to and fro each for one side. Yeah. After sharpening, you drop it in this way. Before the sharpening, you drop it in this way. Now, we want to start the sharpening for the bottom clipper blade. We need to treat using precious stone with little oil. Can you see like this? See the way I'm using the precious stone and special stone. After you now use your biscuit bone. After dropping the kerosene at interval, it's very compulsory. You treat the surface of your stone before the sharpening. You tap. You cannot wait for the chemical to mix together. You can use your finger to tap. You tap and mix. You play your finger before everything. And let me show you the inner surface of the bottom clipper blade we want to sharpen before we start the job step by step. Can you see it? You can see it. See the way I drop it down. So I'm starting from here. That is 20 times. That is 20 times each for one side. Let me show you before I clean it. Let me show you how the surface is when I pick it up. Can you see it? You see the rubbles, the solution of special stone, biscuit bone, oil and kerosene, the particle of the stone. Can you see it? Can you see the surface in form of U-shape? That's shining, which means they've used the clipper very well. You see where the dark place is? That place is down. So we are going far away now. Bang, bang, we are going far away. We are going far away. We are going far away. Look at the move. Okay. No, you don't need anywhere. Don't need to be here. I have plugged the selling. So let's go now. That is 20 times. Then when you have the chemical at the back, you can use your rag to pick, to clean. It takes us to clean. So I will not soak the masking tape at the back of the blade. Because when the masking tape is soaked, it will remove. That is 20 times. Let me pick it. I'll show you before I clean. You can see how the surface is. Just clean now. Just clean and see how the surface is. Can you see where the shiny is in form of U shape? Look here like this, the back of small blade to the other side here. We are going far away. This inner side of the small blade is deep. You see where you see the black color? We are going far away. This is 20 times for one, 20 times for the two. We are going for the first time now, third time now. This third time now making 60 each for one side. Let us go. Don't forget, as you are sharpening, the way you apply pressure on each side have to be the same. The way you apply your treatment on the surface of the stone have to be the same. The canting movement of the blade moving up and down, the canting have to be the same. Take note. Take note very well. But see, this is number 3 time now, number 3. That is 20 times. Let me clean the back of the blade. Can you see now the way I clean it? That is 20 times again. Make it 60 times each for each side. Let us clean and wash the inside now. Yeah, you can see now. See this side now, this side. When you watch this side very well, the stone has to work completely here. But when you watch the other side here, this side, the stone has worked at the back together with this thicker blade. You can see it. The inside of this small blade at this side, the stone has not touched it very well. We are still going for number 4 again. This is number 4. We are going for number 4. I'm going for number 4. And don't forget, whatever thing you do for here, you still have to repeat the same thing for the other side. To make the surface balance and the shining across have to be the same. Let us go again. So here. That is 20 times here. Don't forget, when you have clinic at the back of the blade, you see the way I do my rag, you try to soak them up. You remove them completely. So we have shining for 20 times here. Coming down here now. That is 20 times each, making 4 times each. That is 4 times. 20 times in 4 places. This is 80 times for this side, 80 times for this side. Let us watch carefully now and see how the inside of the blade is. Let us watch carefully. Let us watch carefully. Let us watch carefully. Yeah, can you see like this? So let us test now and see whether the clipper blade is sharpening correctly. So when we check now, we see the carbon across, which means sharpening correctly. If the carbon doesn't cover very well, we still need to repeat it one time. That would be 5 times now. But let us test that number 4 step now. Let us test now and see whether the clipper blade will give us the exact sign we are looking for. So you need to press it together. See the way I hold this. See all my 4 fingers at the down. See the thumb. You press it down firmly. Then you now be pushing side to side, front to back, side to side, front to back. That's how you continue. You can see, let us check now. Let us check and see how the inside is. You do see the carbon now? Feel inside the surface of the bottom clipper blade where the upper clipper blade is touching. Can you see it now? So which means this clipper blade has been sharpened correctly. So when you run it, you treat it very well. It's going to be working like a new clipper blade or even better than the new clipper blade. Can you see it in this way? So that's just a step by step in sharpening stainless clipper blade. Sharp. So that won't waste much of your time. Maybe you are babbing for a customer, the blade just quench or giving you one kind side. You remove it, you resharp it sharp to continue with the job you are doing. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Please don't forget to like, you share the video, subscribe, press the notification button, and be watching the videos, be practicing. Thank you. Be expecting another follow tutorial after this one.